G'day guys, it's Andy here from Don Creative. Today we're going to be making a few changes to a website. Nigel, this is specifically for you, but anyone else who watches this, we're going to be making some changes to a page using WordPress's WP Bakery Builder. So we're here at the login screen. We're going to jump right in. And this is for Transgear.co.nz, a transmission parts provider. And don't worry if your screen's not the same colors as mine. Mine's slightly different with a different configuration. But today we're going to be clicking on pages. You can either click straight onto pages or all pages. Clicked on there, and today we're going to be making some changes to the parts for sale page. So we're going to jump right in here, and let's just view the page first as to what it looks like now. So you can see this is just some parts for sale that have been added. The price, what the pump is, and or what the part is, and then a bit of a photo with it. So then we've also got the contact form from contact form 7, a WordPress product just down the bottom here, so that anyone can inquire to Nigel and buy the rebuilt Chevy V8 Power Glide pump. But we need to add a second part to this list, so we're going to jump right in and we're going to edit this page. Now I'll just go back here. Now go back to the screen here, so you will have gone all pages. You'll be presented with this page, but this time instead of clicking on view, we're going to click on edit. Now this is going to take me into Builder. Now we've got a few modes here. We've got classic mode, front end editor, and then at the moment we're in the normal editor. You can see here if I click on front end editor, it'll give me a couple of different options. We'll go back to the back end editor, and this is where we want to be for duplicating our parts. Now this is our title. We saw that before. This is our image we saw before. Our secondary title, and then our secondary text box. Now down here is a separator. You can find the separators over here under add new element. Now we've already got a separator, but if we were adding a third part, we'd probably want to add another separator. So we click on here, and then just over here we can find separator with a horizontal line. We would click on that, save those changes, and we can see that down the bottom here under contact form 7 we've now got an extra separator added. Now we don't actually need that one today, so we'll go ahead and delete it. But what we do want to do is duplicate this sales section here like this. So duplicating, really easy. We just click on clone the single image, and then we can click on clone this image. Actually, what we're going to do here is going to be a little bit different. We're actually going to clone this row, and now we're going to delete this, ignore that, and then what we're going to do is we're going to pick this row up and we're going to drop it down underneath. Didn't quite stick. Need to wait for the grey to show up. Right, we're going to then clone this row, which is over here. Clone it, and then we're going to pick this up and we're going to drop this down underneath the bottom here. Now our separator, we'll lift that up and in between the two, and there you go. If we update this and we have a bit of a look at our preview, we'll go to the front end editor, and we can now see that we've got two sections here with a separator in between them that keeps them separate. Now to change this image, click on here, clear this one out, and we can go into the back-end library here. And this is where you will upload your file from your camera, select files. In that case, that will take you into the computer, your computer section, and then into the media library here as well, where you'll have some previously uploaded stuff. We don't actually have the images to upload today. Nigel, you're going to do that yourself, and you can go through here and change your text accordingly as well by just clicking on that pencil. Select, done. All right, that's how we make back-end changes to a page. That is all set and ready to go for Nigel to make his changes to his page, and you can use this video to see how it was achieved. Cheers.